Hey guys, how's it going? We're just going to show how to use the new ordering system on our DTF website. We're going to jump in here and go to the DTF transfers. We have the options of the auto builder, the more advanced builder, and the DTF gang sheet uploader over here. First, we're just going to use our auto builder. I'm just going to click build gang sheet, and all you need to do here is drop in the files you want to use, the PNGs. I'm going to grab a few files now and put them over. Depending how many files you upload and how big they are, this can take a few minutes to do. We'll just wait for this to upload. Okay, so we got these 5 files here. Now, first thing we want to do is work out your margin. This is how much space you want in between all your image. I'm just going to go 1 centimeter for now. And we'll start with this. Let's say we want to do this one 28 wide, and we want 15 of them. We can see the resolution here, how good the quality is. If it's not so good, you'll see it come up either yellow or red. All right, we'll do this one here. We'll do this 10. I'm going to do this one here 15, and then I'm going to duplicate that. So we can now do this for a front pocket. Let's say that's 12 centimeters. And we got this one, another 28. I'll just do this, say 15 centimeters, and we'll get 20 of them. And we've got this big one here. I'll leave it at that size and we'll get 3. Just click continue. And again, same as before, when you're uploading, depending how big the files are, how many you need, it may take a few minutes to get these gang sheets built up. So we'll just wait for that. Okay, so here are the sheets now. We can see we've got a total of 5 meters. We can click on the view button and we can have a look at the gang sheets. There we go. There's the first one. And we'll scroll back up to the top, click the X to get out of it. And here's the next one. You can see those big prints there. There's some of the small ones. Okay, there's the 2 gang sheets it's made up. And it's, as we said before, it's 5 meters. Now, if you want to go back and edit it, for example, let's say you want to add something, remove, you just click the edit button here. That will do it for the whole gang sheet. And let's say you want to add a couple more images. I'll grab this one here. We'll upload that one image. Now we can see over here, this is telling us it's only 72 DPI at bad resolution. Let's say I want to do it 10 centimeters. Now it's giving me a yellow where it's good resolution. Ideally, you want to be at 300 DPI and a correct size. That way you will get the best print. So for this one, I'll add 5 there. And let's just say, for example, we want a couple more of this and another one of those. We'll click continue. Now this will override the original gang sheets that are done and we'll come up with some new gang sheets and new length. All right, here we go. And so it's only gone up to 5.1 meters. It hasn't added on a lot. You can see those new ones that we've added here. And there we go. Here are the gang sheets. They're all done. And now you just go through the process, the checkout like normal. So we can click by PayPal or credit card. We'll do pickup. Okay, guys, now we just check out as normal, and that's how we use our auto builder. Check out our other videos to show how we use our advanced builder, the gang sheet uploader, and we also have a video showing how our rewards program works. Okay, guys, thanks.